already lost the season series with Phoenix. Here's Thompson, 8 games and a 54-point game this season. Catch and shoot again for Clay.
I'm looking at it as an advantage. Teams don't have as much time to game plan for us.
Let's go Warriors! Woo! How's it going on, everybody? Patrick the Vlogger here. So, welcome back to my channel, and today meron akong isang incredible story para sa inyo. And it's the day na na-meet ko yung mga favorite players ko from my favorite team, Golden State Warriors. Let's go! Yun, na-meet ko sila sa SM Mega Mall, and it's a memory na iti-cherish ko forever.
Let's ask them one more time. Philippines, SM Mega Mall, Dub Nation, are you ready?
So, yung day na na-meet ko sila Klay Thompson and Kevon Looney, it all started on a regular day, and then where ginagawa ko yung mga papers ko, yung mga papeles ko for work, ganyan. And after kong gawin yun, dumaan kami ng mom ko sa SM Mega Mall to have our lunch. So, habang nandun kami sa SM Mega Mall, naglalakad kami nun. Pagdaan namin, dun sa may kainan, may nakalagay na tarpaulin na, may stage, tapos may backdrop siya na Klay Thompson in Manila, 2:30 p.m. Like, lunchtime pa lang nun. Nandun sila! So, nung nakita ko yun, parang yung puso ko bumilit. Gusto ko sila makita! Habang nagla-lunch kami, nandun kami, inikot ko yung Anta, inikot ko yung premises. Grabe yung excitement sa puso ko nun. After namin kumain, nag-decide ako na mag-stay na lang ako sa mall, tapos si Mami babalik na siya sa work niya. And then, well, naintindihan naman ni Mami kasi alam niya Warriors fan ako, and at the same time, yun nga, I'll take the opportunity na kasi si Klay Thompson hindi makapaghintay. Pero yung papeles, makapaghintay. So, nagstay ako nun for 2 hours. Hindi ako makahintay na makita si Klay Thompson up close and personal. Habang naghihintay ako nun, 2:30, dumadami na yung mga tao, and at the same time, dami naghihintay dun sa dadaanan nila Klay Thompson.
You know, we've been talking about low-cut kid. You can actually turn this into a low-cut shoe. So, ayan po, low-cut. From high-cut, pwede niyong gawin low-cut. The shoes that I'm wearing...
So, hintay-hintay sila doon, at the same time. And doon, na-hype na yung mga tao, alam mo yun, yung cheer sila ng cheer, Warriors, or kung hindi naman, minsan nantitip sila, like, woo! Maghihiyawan sila. Pero, ang totoo, wala naman pala.
Taking up selfies and personal photos is strictly prohibited. Autographs are strictly prohibited. And official photos will be uploaded on Anta Philippines social media pages. So, pwede nyo pa follow yung Anta sa Facebook, sa Instagram, everywhere. So, go ahead and follow Anta Philippines right now. That's right. And of course,
Or may dadaan lang na ko, may gano'n. So, napapatingin kami, talagang hintay kami kina Klay Thompson. So, yung mga host, in-introduce na nila yung sarili nila.
what are you guys doing? Excited na ba kayo?
And at the same time, nag-i-interview na sila yung mga participants. Tinatanong nila bakit si Klay Thompson yung favorite mong player. Yung mga nakaupo, tinatanong nila, bakit si Klay? Bakit si Kevon? Nagulat ako kasi pinili nila ako. Like, taas na kami nun. Like, woo! Ako po!
Sir, babalik mo yan ha?
Yes, ma'am.
Kasi sa kanila.
guys,
sir.
si Kevon po yung one of my great players because versatile player, rebounder, and at the same time, he gave us the buzzer-beating winner against Atlanta Hawks last season.
Mukhang memorize na memorize.
Yes, ma'am!
I was ecstatic and nervous nung kinakabahan ako nun. Nervous ako nun na sagutin niya. Pero nasagot ko naman. So, tinanong nila sa akin nun kung bakit si Kevon Looney yung favorite player ko. So, nag-share ako ng reason na yung moment niya yung buzzer beater niya sa Atlanta.
Draymond at 5. Clay for the lead. Long. Looney tip. No. Looney. Yes.
So, habang dinidiscuss nung host yung event, yung mga sapatos ni Clay, dumating na yung moment na dumating na sila.
Let's go!
You know what? I feel like this is it na talaga.
Ang dami yun, naghihaw yung mga tao, ang ingay, ang as in. Tapos talagang sigaw na sigaw sila kay Klay Thompson. Hindi siya yung traditional na meet and greet kasi only registered participants lang yung allowed na makalapit kay Klay and kay Kevon. Pero hindi yun nakahadlang sa pag-cheer ko, sa pagiging fanboy ko.
Welcome. How did we do it?
Wow, this is amazing.
Welcome to the Anta Squad Asia Tour 2023. How has the experience been so far, you guys?
It's been incredible. I mean, to see all the Warrior fans, to see people wearing Antas, and to be here at home, it's surpassed all my expectations, and I'm having the best time.
Kevon, we've been talking to some of your fans right here.
It's been great, you know, this is amazing. I didn't know what to expect coming here, and all I know is we're only winning to go through.
The energy is just crazy here.
Talagang, alam mo yun, talagang yung puso ko talagang ang saya-saya nung makita yung dalawang Warriors players.
The best thing about the KT line, I don't know, it just molds on your foot so perfectly, and I feel like I can just drop 50 in them on every given moment.
I'm sure everyone here would love to see another awesome Klay Thompson moment.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Klay and Lazada. Once again, please do not forget to visit Anta's flagship store through our Lazada app. All right, so
Kasi alam nyo ba guys, diehard Warriors fan na ako since 2014.
Mahal kita.
I got you guys. I told you. All right, and now what is your message to all of the Filipino fans?
Our message is, we love you guys. Thanks for all the support.
Talagang gustong-gusto ko yung playstyle nila, and at the same time 5'7" lang ako, maliit lang akong tao. So yung ginagawa ni Curry and ni Klay sa court, talagang yung ano mo yung puro shooting, puro tira.
To welcome our guest players, we would like to call on stage the president of SM Supermalls, Mr. Steven Tan. We'd like to call on Sir Steven Tan for a photo opportunity with Kevon and Klay.
Talagang yun yung para sa akin, yun yung isa sa mga nag-change ng game, na lahat ng NBA teams ngayon puro na lang sila tumitira. So yun nga, I live and breathe Warriors basketball. So meeting Klay and Kevon Looney in person is parang dream come true na hindi ko yun naman talaga in-expect, kasi pumunta kami ng Mega Mall para kumain. thankful ako na nakita ko sila. Unexpected opportunity din kasi talaga yon na makita ko sila dito sa Philippines. With that, talagang na-fill yung heart ko with joy being a Warrior fan. So yeah, that is the story of how I met Klay Thompson and Kevon Looney at SM Mega Mall. So it might not have been a meet and greet in a traditional sense na talagang lalapitan mo, mayayakap mo, but still it is a day filled with excitement. So if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting adventures. Thanks for joining me in this unforgettable journey. And as always, guys, go Warriors!